Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how to make a 3D sitting logo. First, we need this app called Pixel Lab. You can say Pixel Lab. I'm going to make a YouTube logo. I'm going to make a YouTube logo. You go to your Google Chrome. If you don't have it, you download it. Now I have my own. You click this circle dots down here. Click the dots, the circle dots. Click on import. Now you search for your photo. When it shows you search for your photo, like I said, I'm using a YouTube logo. You search for your logo must be transparent. Make sure it's transparent like this, what you want to design. Now you see, you click on this A, you click on edit text. Now let me put c.chinix graphics. That's what I'll be using, c.chinix graphics. Now you arrange it, c.chinix graphics. Then you search for your fonts. You can see fonts. Let me select my font. Please, my WhatsApp number is showing on the screen. You can use it to contact me if you have any issues. If there's any issues you're facing about this, let me know. Okay, now release the size. So this is I want to change the color now, or green, which I want to use green for this, but I actually don't know the main one. This I think I should go with this one. Okay, now let me use stroke, black stroke. You can see stroke here, black stroke. Yeah, that will be okay. Yeah, okay. Now I want to add another thing. I click on imports, then I select social media handles. These are my social media handles. On TikTok, c_chinix. On Facebook, c.chinix. On WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp number. You can add me up to ask any question. This is my WhatsApp number. Now let me click on fonts. No, I don't like this one. This okay. You can check for your fonts. Now, not all Pixel Lab come with these types of fonts. To get this type of fonts, you need to download Pixel Lab APK from Google Chrome. Pixel Lab APK. Oh, I love this. Yeah, I love this. Okay, now release the size to be audible enough. 081418535571. That's my WhatsApp number. Now you save. You click there, click on transparent. Now you see, you click on save as PNG. Make sure you save as PNG so it won't have any background. Now you head over to this app called Phototog. That's the name. You click on projects. That's the name, Phototog. Click on projects. You can see new projects there. You click on new projects. We click on sticker, insert from gallery without crop. Now select your picture, look at it there, Pixel Lab. Now click on size, increase it. Yeah, the size okay. Click the 3 line, convert to 3D mockup. Click there. What's going? Oh, okay. My network was disturbing. Make sure you're using a phone that is higher than 2 gig RAM, or 2 gig up. 1 gig RAM, it will delay. Now you allow it to show. Let's select the mockup, sitting mockup. You're looking for sitting mockup. Yeah, this is it. I love 3D. Click the blue, accept. Allow the ad to show complete before clicking on cancel. If not, it won't load. This is 3D sitting mockup. Click there. You see what I'm showing you. If there's any mistake, if you don't understand anything, if you're having any challenges, you can let me know. Yeah, this is it. Our mockup is ready. Now let's click the black one to download. Click it. Now head over to your gallery. Sorry, you can see. Okay, look at it, it's new. Wow, awesome, right? Now do your own and send it to me on WhatsApp. I have a prize for the first 5 people that will do their own and send to me on WhatsApp. I have a prize for you. Thank you. Now please make sure you like and subscribe. Share this video also to your friends. You can share. If you don't understand, I'm always available. Bye bye.